We are subjected to the strains of modern life, and as a result, we may have developed a number of chronic health issues that wear down our bodies. However, by utilizing the advantages of pineapples, we can strengthen our body's defenses and slow down the aging process. Pineapples include chemicals that restore skin suppleness and help in cell renewal. Pineapples are rich in anti-cancer and antioxidant qualities. The health benefits of pineapples aren't generally understood, so here are some of its most significant physiological effects. 1. Helps with digestion. One of the lesser-known advantages of pineapple is its high fiber content. This makes it easier for food to pass through the intestines. Also, pineapple helps your stomach produce more gastric juices. This helps break down protein-rich foods. Pineapple helps stop diarrhea in a big way because it has a lot of fiber. Pineapple helps the digestive system as a whole. 2. Effective against colds and coughs. The high vitamin C content of pineapple is one of its main advantages. You now have an idea of how much vitamin C we get from eating pineapple, roughly 130% of the daily required amount. Due to its high vitamin C content, pineapple boosts the immune system. It lowers mucus in the airways, and gets rid of phlegm and illnesses. 3. Improves bone health. Pineapple is also a very good source of manganese, comprising more than 70% of the daily recommended amount. The element of manganese is crucial for constructing strong bones. 4. Relieves joint pain. Pineapple is important in the fight against arthritis. Its high vitamin C content makes it very good at reducing inflammation in muscles and joints. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, one of the most sought-after pineapple benefits is that it can help ease the pain of arthritis. 5. Enhances blood flow. Pineapple has a cleansing action that helps to clear the arteries. This can prevent heart disease. 6. Assists in preventing cancer. Due to its antioxidant properties, pineapple helps in the prevention of breast, mouth, and throat cancer. Because pineapple is high in bromelain and also helps control the thyroid gland. It can treat autoimmune illnesses and help maintain a healthy hormone balance. 7. Stimulates the production of collagen. Pineapple has a lot of vitamin C and also makes collagen. This is important for the growth of skin, bones, organs, and the lining of blood vessels. As a result, pineapple also helps in the restoration and renewal of our organs. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.